Avery, look.
What are those?
Easter. Look at the
Look behind you.
Avery, look. It looks like he went to your room.
Oh my goodness.
Looks like he was looking for you.
Wow.
Wowzers. Gotta collect all the eggs. Sorry, babes.
Wow. I wonder where they go.
He came looking for you in your room, babes. I think they lead somewhere.
Yeah.
Good job collecting.
I think they go in the living room.
It looks like it. Wow, he left you so many chocolates.
Yeah. Can you help me pick some chocolate, Mama?
Sure.
Okay.
It's a lot of work, eh, babes?
We have to collect. Look at those chocolates. I've never seen chocolates before.
Here you go. Here.
Where does it go? Oh my God, it led right to that big basket. Look at that, Avery. Holy guacamole.
What's the... I don't think you could see through all your hair.
Avery, look.
Oh, it's chocolate.
Look where it led to.
Yes. Wow.
He left you a big present. Oh my God. Okay, Theo, let's go
Is
outside.
that a mochi sheet?
Oh wow, Avery.
Never seen the clothes.
What
What
a,
beautiful clothes.
Oh. It's a good dump in here.
what a nice Easter bunny.